Welcome back. Let's do question 213. Given q is equal to square root of b squared minus 4ac, and we're given the values of a, b, and c. Between which two consecutive integers does q lie? So we found that q is equal to the square root of 33. So now what you do, you check. Look at the number 33. It is between which square numbers? 33 is greater than 25 and then but less than 36. Check here. 25 is a square number. Then after 25, the next square number is 36, and 33 is between them. Then you square root everything, all the numbers, and then you get that 5 is less than square root of 33, but square root of 33 is less than 6. So q, this is q. So we can say q is greater than 5 but less than 6. So it is between, q is between 5 and 6.